Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect DeepSeek API to VS Code. So if you want to use DeepSeek AI directly inside VS Code for coding, debugging, and automation, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can start using AI right inside your editor. So first, launch Visual Studio Code on your computer. So to start, click the extensions icon on the sidebar, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Now in here, go to the search bar and search for continue. So tap on it and click on install. Now after installing, click the continue icon on the sidebar to open it. Now inside the extension, click add chat model, and this is where you connect AI providers. Now from the provider section, tap on it and select DeepSeek. So look for DeepSeek, tap on it, then go to the model section and select DeepSeek Coder. Now below here, you need to get your API key. So go to the DeepSeek official website and log into your account. You can also tap on click here to create a DeepSeek API key. So you can copy the link or just click on open. So navigate to the API key section, then click on create new API key if you don't have one yet. Once done, copy the key. Press Ctrl C to copy. Then the next step is to go back to VS Code and then paste in your API key. So Ctrl V to paste the key, then click on connect, and that's it. DeepSeek AI is now connected. So you can now generate code, fix bugs, get explanations, and speed up development all directly inside VS Code. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.